Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's really fun video, we're going to be playing around with some dark chocolate and some homemade caramel. So super easy, the least amount of mess. You want to use a little paintbrush and then just get in and start painting up the sides. Make sure that I'm on camera here and paint all the sides. So you get your paintbrush in, go down to the bottom and then pull it up right to the top. Okay, that's good. So now I'm just going to let my chocolate harden and then I'm going to do a second coat just to have the shell a little bit thicker. This is about 15 minutes later. All my chocolate has set up. So now I'm just going to go in and do a little bit more on the sides. The bottom doesn't need it because by gravity, naturally the chocolate is going to pool at the bottom. But what I want to do now is just build up the sides of the shell, and that's what I'll do now. What I have here is some homemade caramel. If you want to see how to make caramel, I have many videos on my YouTube channel, Bake Like a Pro. And then we're just going to start filling this up. If you've never made caramel at home, you have to try it. Super easy to do, and once you start making caramel at home, you'll never buy store-bought brand caramel again. So you want to fill these up, but you need to leave a little bit of space for the little end cap that we're going to be putting on here to seal the chocolates. Once you have all of your caramel in the cavities, then you just want to cap it off with the same chocolate, and I'm using a piping bag. Now you can use a little spoon. You can try it that way if you don't have a piping bag, or you can use a sandwich bag, and that works very nicely as well. And now I'm just going to give this a little bit of a tap, and you can see right away everything is spreading out, and this gives you a good idea how much more you need, because you don't want to go too heavy on the chocolate at the end. If you're in a rush, you can take these and put them right into your fridge, let them sit there for about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and you'll be able to pop them all out and you'll have perfect caramel chocolates. So I'm going to show you how easily these come out because of that silicone. We'll just give a nice little push and we'll see what these look like. Look at that. So I'll just get a little spatula here. Let's just cut it in half. Nice little crack. And look at this. Pull this away and look at all that caramel in there. Wow. And if you want to know how to make caramel at home, I do have several recipes on my YouTube channel, Bake Like a Pro, and I will put all of those links down in the description box below this video. We've got a nice thin shell, and look at all the caramel in there. That looks amazing. Of course, I'm going to have to go in for a little bite. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. That is really good. That is beyond amazing. You get that crunch from that dark chocolate, and then that sweet caramel in the middle. Just amazing. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.